everyone, welcome to Cosmic Kids. I'm Jaime and this is your place for yoga, stories and fun. It's easy, just copy the moves I do and enjoy the adventure. Now we always start in the same way, and that's by sitting on our bottoms, crossing our legs and bringing our hands together at our hearts to say our secret yoga code word, which is Namaste. Ready? After 3. 1, 2, 3. Namaste. There. Now we're ready to begin. And today we have a special Halloween yoga adventure. We're off to Monsterville because we've been invited to a monsters Halloween party at a haunted house. This is going to be very interesting. But first, our Halloween costumes. I wonder what you're going to come as. Let's close our eyes, sit up tall and say our magic spell. Opening our eyes. Wow, you look amazing. Now we are ready to go to our monsters Halloween party. But let's fill up on some bravery and courage so we don't get scared by all the monsters. Taking some deep, strong dragon fire breaths. Crisscrossing our fingers under our chin, take a big breath all the way in and lift up your elbows. Now breathe out like a dragon to the sky. And again, breathing in, lift those elbows. Breathe out like a dragon. And one more for luck. Breathing in, lift those elbows. And breathe out to the sky. There, that's better. Now it's time to get our spines tingling. And let's take a witch's cat stretch for that. Coming onto our hands and knees, we arch our back and we look right up into our tummies. Then we dip our bellies down and wiggle waggle our tails, lifting our chest, going meow. Very good, everyone. We sit back on our heels and we hide in the shadows like a little mummy mouse, folding forwards, going squeak, 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 squeak. We slither our arms all the way forward and slide through onto our tummies to wiggle, 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 wiggle all the way up like a hissy, scary snake. Now we come up onto our knees, tuck our toes, and we zombie walk our feet all the way forwards, bending our knees to roll up from the dead, very slowly to stand. Nice! We did it! Now we're ready to go. But how are we going to get to Monsterville, I wonder? Oh, listen, giving our ears a rub? Of course! We're gonna go on the ghost train. We can hear it, and we might not be able to actually see it, but let's hop on anyway. Reaching up with one arm, holding onto our opposite leg, trying not to wobble. Very good. Let's do a hop. Whoop. Very good, everyone. Lowering our foot in our hand, reaching up with our other hand, lifting our foot, drawing our heel to our bottom. Oh, try not to wobble. And let's do another hop. Whoop. Very good. Now we're on the ghost train. Lowering our foot, time to pull the horn. Woo! Hands to our sides and off we go. Clickety-clack, clickety-clack, here we go around the track. Faster and faster and faster we go. Faster and faster and faster we go until we're going very slow. Pull the horn again. Woo! We've made it. We're here in Monsterville. Now to find the haunted house. But look, we seem to have arrived in a patch full of pumpkins. Let's do our pumpkin pose. Sitting on our bottoms, we give our knees a little hug and we lift our toes off the ground, balancing like a little pumpkin. Now, can you do a funny jack-o'-lantern face? Ready? Very good, everyone. Let's roll like a little pumpkin across the patch. feet flat, hands on our knees, tucking our chin like we're squishing some slime under it. After 3, let's rock all the way back and all the way up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoop! Woo! And again. 1, 2, 3. Whoop! Whee! This time, let's see if we can stand up and do a big ta-da at the end. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoop! Whee! Ta-da! Very good, everyone. And look, we're here at the gates of the haunted house. It is a ghoul gate. Let's open it. Coming down to 2 knees, leg to the side, arm to the sky. It opens with a spooky squeak. Ready? Oh, amazing. In we go, and it mysteriously closes behind us. All by itself, coming all the way back up to center. 2 knees together, leg to the other side, arm to the sky, and let's do another spooky squeak. Oh, amazing. Coming all the way up to center. Up we come to stand, jumping feet wide, arms wide, hands up above our head. Look how tall and pointy the roof is. Oh, and can you hear? It sounds like the party has already started. In we go, where we are greeted by all the monsters jumping at us saying boo. Let's come down to crouch and jump up and say a big boo back to them. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boo! Monsters are brilliant at saying boo because they practice all the time. Wow, it's so cool in here. We can see a gigantic spider. Let's do our spider pose. Lifting our hips all the way up, walking our feet out a little bit and bending our knees. Now making our fingers like spiders, we tick around the backs of our ankles and we walk our feet in together, maybe bringing our big toes to touch. The spider is spinning some cobweb candy floss and it's absolutely delicious. Oh, we try a bit of it. Oh, what's happening? The skeletons are here to do the skeleton dance. Let's unravel our arms and legs, come up to stand and join in with them. Let's do it. So much fun! I love doing the skeleton dance and I can tell you enjoy it too. Oh, we need a rest now though, don't we, to recover. So in we go to the coven kitchen where we find witches stirring a stinky brew in a giant cauldron. Taking our feet out wide, bending our knees deep, hands in front of us, we stir the cauldron with a big bone. Hubble, bubble, the brew must bubble. Are you here to cause some trouble? Oh, standing tall, feeling a bit frightened. We take 3 deep breaths to feel calm, breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. And last time, breathing in and breathing out. Now we give our ears a little rub. Oh, and that helps us feel much better. And we use our minds to decide to be brave. We stand tall and strong in a power pose, hands on our hips so we feel strong in our bodies and minds, and we politely say to the witches, no trouble from us. Just popped in to see what you were doing, really. Coming into witch pose, up onto one toe, making our fingers and arms all witchy. Oh, well, that's all right then. Why don't you come back later, try our potion? We just need to add a few more newts. Lowering our hands.
Not wanting to be mistaken for a newt, we leave the coven kitchen like a wobbly jelly. Oh, well done you, well done us. We were super brave saying hello to those witches. But now what's happening? Look, from the dance floor rises a ginormous pyramid. Let's do our pyramid pose. Coming onto our hands and knees, tucking our toes and pressing our hips up to the sky. Now we step our foot forwards, making our bodies into a pyramid shape. And what's happening? Out of the pyramid come the mummy family. Walking our feet all the way forwards, rolling up to stand, jumping feet wide and arms wide to spin into our mummy bandages. Mummy gets ready, coming into her pose to press play on the music machine. The music starts and we join in with the mummy moves. Wow, that was brilliant! Goodness, doesn't it feel good to dance? Always makes us feel great. We should do that more often. Now we head to the coffin corner to go hang out with the vampires in bat pose. Turning to face the wrong way, legs nice and wide, hands on our hips, we fold all the way forwards to go upside down. And give me a wave. Hi! Daddy vampire keeps yawning. Must be nearly bedtime, morning for them. Wow, this party has really flown by. Rolling all the way up to stand and turning to face the right way again. Out we go into the grave garden to get some fresh air, where we find a pack of werewolves. Let's do our werewolf pose. Coming to lie on our tummies, hands by our side. Now we roll our shoulders back and press ourselves all the way up, coming up onto the tops of our feet and our hands. Oh, they're having a lovely howl at the moon. Let's do a big howl at the moon. Ow! They've enjoyed the party, especially the bone barbecue. Oh, listen, we can hear an owl hooting. Coming to sit on our heels, hands down. Let's do an owl pose. Lifting up with a toot and lowering down with a too-woo. And again, toot, too-woo. Oh, we've had such fun at the party, but it's time for us to go home. We've been so brave meeting all of these monsters, but now we need to get back, so we're in time for trick-or-treating. I wonder how we're going to get there. Oh, look at all the sparkles suddenly. And look, wow, our very own golden broomstick arrives to take us home. Let's do our broomstick pose. Coming to lie on our tummies, arms down by our side. After 3, we lift up our chests and our feet at the same time to go whoosh. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoosh! Flying through the night sky on our very comfortable golden broomstick. We lie down on our backs, enjoying the ride home. It's strangely comfortable here on our broomstick, so we enjoy relaxing, letting our bodies feel nice and heavy and calm and peaceful. Ah, what a fun adventure that was. We were so brave. We went to a proper Halloween party at a real haunted house with actual monsters, and we had fun. We danced, ate yummy food, and we enjoyed ourselves. And we feel especially proud about how brave we were. It's really good to do stuff that's scary and challenging, because when we do, we get a bit stronger each time. There's nothing much that scares us anymore. And when we can overcome our fears, we can do anything. It's always fun at Halloween to play at being monsters, And we know the monsters aren't real, but we can have fun pretending to dress up as them, especially for trick-or-treating. Now it's time to wake up. We wiggle our toes and we wiggle our fingers. We hug our knees into our chests and we roll over onto our sides, opening our eyes, coming to sit with our legs crossed and our hands together at our hearts to finish just the way we started, with our secret yoga code word, which is Namaste. Ready? After 3. 1, 2, 3. Namaste. Wow, you were amazing in our special Halloween yoga adventure. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you again soon for another Cosmic Kids adventure. Bye-bye.